Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. Let's start the next part of this quiz. Question number 34. Who sent a marriage proposal to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam after returning from Syria?
Hazrat Khadija
Raziyallahu anha.
radhiyallahu anha.
Question number 35. What was the age of our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and Khadija raziyallahu anha at the time of their marriage?
Prophet age was 25 years and Hazrat Khadija radhiyallahu anha was 40 years.
The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was 25 years old and Khadija radhiyallahu anha was 40 years old. Question number 36. How was the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam from childhood?
He was very good.
And bereft of all